Hello everyone, this is Shashi from Shashi Tech. In this video, we are going to solve KSET 2018 paper 2. The first question is, what is the output of the following program? As include str.h, int main print %d with a single quoted a, which returns 0. Here, the program is going to print the a value as a ASCII code. Neither it is not going to consider it as a character or a string. The ASCII code of a is 65. So, the option is D. Our second question is, given the array declaration int myArray, which contains the values of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, what is the value of myArray of 2? The index values of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is given here. First we need to solve this. myArray of 2. What is the myArray of 2 value is 2. Here the 4 is the value of myArray of 2. 4 is the value. Then myArray of 4. myArray of 4 is 8. So option C is the correct answer. Our third question is, an C++ operator that works in the special way to newly defines data types is said to be a encapsulated, classified, polymorphed or overloaded. Here the encapsulation is not possible. Encapsulation means a process of providing a control access or hiding a data. Our classification is different concept, and the polymorphism is present in the many form. Then the remaining option is overloaded. Overloaded is the correct answer to this question. Option D is the correct answer to this question. Our next question is, a fully binary tree with n leaves contains option A n nodes, option B log 2 n nodes, and option C 2n minus 1 nodes, and option D 2 to the power of n nodes. In order to solve this problem, we need to understand the basics of fully binary tree. Let us consider a tree like this. It consists of different levels, level 0, 1, 2, 3. In order to find the number of nodes, we have the formula that is 2 power L. L is the number of node. Here the number level is 0 and the 2 power 0 is equal to 1 node, and similarly 2 power 1 is equal to 2 node, and 2 power 2 is equal to 4 node, and so on. In order to calculate the total number of nodes, we have the formula like this. Here h is the height of the fully binary tree. It gives the following result. Let us consider the height to be a 2. It gives 1 plus 2 plus 2 power 2, which is 1 plus 2 plus 4. In a similar way, let height is equal to 3. It gives the following equation. You can observe here the 2 plus 1 plus 2 is a number of nodes, number of leaf nodes. Here 1 plus 2 plus 4 is a number of non-leaf nodes, and here 4 and 8 are the number of leaves. Leaves means here we have the leaves here. These are the leaves and these are the nodes. Similarly, we can calculate like this. If h is equal to 2, we are getting this equation. If h is equal to 3, we are getting this equation. We can observe here 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4. Here 7 plus 8. Here 15 plus 16. Always within the bracket, the numbers within the bracket are always less than this one. If we consider this as a n, we need to consider this as a n minus 1. Here if you consider n minus 1, we should consider it as a n. So number of nodes is equal to, if the total number of nodes for n leaves, that is this n, gives 2n minus 1. This is the required solution to our question. If we consider the n number of leaves, we are getting this equation. So our option is C, that is 2n minus 1 is the correct answer. Our next question is, local variables are also called as dash variables. The options are global, external, scope, or automatic. Here, the global means the variables which are declared outside the function. In a similar way, external means the variables which are declared outside the functions. These are totally opposite to local variables. And the remaining two, that is scope variable, it is a different methods or a different types of variables. It shows the different types of variables, and the correct answer is the automatic. It is also called as a local variables, or also called as a automatic variables.